Well, Bitcoin is down again, hovering around $74,000 at the moment I'm taking this video. And most people are freaking out. The media is saying it's over. Twitter crying, we're going to zero. But while everyone is panicking, the smart ones, they are not just staying calm. They're buying because this isn't a crash. It's a setup and history about to repeat itself again. Let's break this down, because if you understand what's really happening, you realize this dip might be your last big opportunity. This isn't the first time Bitcoin's been declared dead. In 1918, we dropped from $20,000 to $3,000. Brutal. But by the next cycle, Bitcoin went parabolic. Then came March 2020, global lockdowns. Bitcoin dipped under $4,000. The fear was real. But by 2021, Bitcoin exploded past $60,000. Then 2022 hit, lunar eclipse, FTX collapsed. The media said Bitcoin was finished. Price tanked below $16,000. But if you were stacking, you're smiling right now. These patterns keep repeating: doubt, disbelief, and then explosive recovery. The question isn't why it's going down. The question is, are you going to let that scare you out of the biggest asset shift in human history? Because here's the reality. The people who win in Bitcoin aren't chasing green candles. They're the ones who stack when it's quiet, when fear is distracted, when fear is loud. And here's something wild most people forgot. The biggest gains in Bitcoin history were made during the ugliest times. Look, I'm not here to tell you what you should do with your money. I'm not your financial advisor, but I am someone who watched this space for years, and I've seen how the games plays out. Whales aren't complaining on social media. They're buying. Banks aren't panicking. They're building. And everyday people, the ones paying attention, they're stacking Satoshis, slow, steady, no drama. Because they know this isn't just about price, it's about positioning. What if this dip is the last big one before Bitcoins enter a new phase? What if we're not crashing, we're resetting? You've seen the pattern and you've seen the past. You know how this ends. So if you're still here, still stacking, still thinking long term, respect. This space is not easy, but the future belongs to those who can stay calm in chaos. Bitcoin was never meant to be a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-free slow out of this broken system. So my friend, this is all I got for you on this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're here for the long haul. We're not just surviving the dip, we're building through it. And don't forget to hold tight and stack it right. Take care.